Microns. Microns.
A chalkboard?
Yeah, I used to be doing an educational video.
And what are you wearing?
You like? I did a quick Pinterest search to find what's trending for teachers.
When'd you start wearing glasses?
Frames.
What?
They're frames.
Oh, frames.
I thought they were a nice touch.
Microns matter.
Yep. And being aware of how particle size can affect people and knowing what precautions to take can help safeguard a contractor's workers.
Occupants too, if they're still on site.
Did you know the smallest airborne particles are often the most dangerous for humans to breathe?
Yep, bacteria can be as small as 0.3 microns.
And viruses as tiny as 0.005 microns. The human respiratory system doesn't protect us against very small particulates. And any particles smaller than 5 microns can be breathed deep into our lungs. Breathing in unhealthy particulates like mold can cause asthma and other respiratory and pulmonary issues.
That's why HEPA air scrubbers are key.
Yeah, but you have to buy a recognized brand you can trust. Many only filter 99.97% of airborne particulates that are 0.3 micron size or larger.
For sure, but doesn't our dry use HEPA 700 filter out 99.99% of 0.1 to 0.5 micron size particulates?
Yep. And when it comes to dealing with negative air containments where contractors are trying to keep molds and other harmful particulates from spreading outside the damaged area, using the HEPA 700 will input the harmful air from inside the containment and output 99.99% clean air into the rest of the space.
That's going to create a much safer environment for customers who are living and working adjacent to the containment.
No doubt. Plus, our dry use products are engineered and supported in the USA.
Pretty good lesson, Teach.
Thanks. The outfit made all the difference.
Legend Brands.